Our routine is to meet every day with consistency and discipline, and we save time by doing that. We know what to look for, we know when to get in, we know when to get out, and we're trading with as little emotion as possible, and we save time because we know what we're going to do, and once we're done with that, we're done. This is the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast, brought to you by 10MinuteStockTrader.com, where we cover finance, stocks, options, entrepreneurship, education, and money. And here's your host, voted one of the top 100 people in finance, Christopher Ewell. Hey, can you do me a favor? I really want to help you with trading, and the easiest way for me to do that is by heading to secretinvestingbook.com to get my book, The Secret Investing Book, totally free. All you're doing is covering the shipping price, and we'll send you this book that exposes 13 virtually unknown secrets to take the guesswork out of trading. So grab your copy now at secretinvestingbook.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch all of our past episodes. Good afternoon, traders. Happy August 29th, year of our Lord 2023. Let's jump right into our market analysis. Hey, I'm not going to keep you too long today because welcome to the 10-minute trading room. This is how to trade in only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. Now, with our outlier trading strategy, we need to let the market tell us which direction it's going. And we do that by looking at the SPY first. As you can see, a powerful move on the SPY. Big, powerful move. This is why, over the last few days, we've not been aggressive at all. Could we have? Could we bought puts and everything? Absolutely. But we did not have all the confluence of signals to say, hey, get longer or get shorter. It was definitely in chop zone. Now, what we see here, if this holds the next couple days, this will turn back into a bullish trend with the 10 over the 20 because it was such a powerful move. I would imagine by, what day of the week is this, Tuesday? Maybe Thursday, this would be crossed back up. So there's a great chance of that. Now, a couple things to note here. We do have this order block down here, which is going to give this some support when it comes back down to boop, back up. But what we want to see is how the reaction goes through here and through this area, right? Is it going to push through this order block here, or is it going to bounce right back down? We don't know. We do not know. We can't know. But the trend is starting to reverse to look more bullish, but it's not there yet. We have the 10 under the 20, prices over the 50. MMFI, similar layout here. The MMFI has bottomed and is coming back up. It's now above the 10-period moving average. What we want to see, again, is the 10 over the 20 over the 50 and price over the 50. So there is definitely a reversal happening on today's market. And because of that, we're definitely going to be taking one trade off. At least we were a minute ago. Let's take a look. Yeah. So the only trade that we have on right now is an AA. Yesterday, we brought down the planned exit point down to the 10 EMA. Donna, good to see you. And we need to go ahead and take that off, right? We're not going to be putting on any new trades because there's nothing to do right now, right? We don't have a confluence of market trends, so it's a defensive day. Now, the exit points are the 10 EMA being broken or a half ATR. We were already past the half ATR on the 10, so we're only going to run on the 10. And it is about 8 cents above that point right now. Now is the time to take it off, right? We could absolutely let that go on longer. If you choose to, by all means, go ahead. I'm not going to. I'm going to keep my risk in check. And so I'm going to go ahead and close that. That's AA. In fact, let me pull it up here. AA, September 15th, 30 puts. And let's see what I can close them for. Working 133 right now. All right, average fill price to close 132. All right, so we have closed AA September 15th, 30 puts for 132. Let me go over here real quick. And this now takes us all back to cash. All right, so we're back all to cash. Man, having this Discord right here with the opens and close and how I can tag the open with the close, I really like that. That makes it easier. So we're back to cash, right? And we're going to be in cash as long as it takes. I'm definitely frustrated that the last two didn't work out, but at the same time, that has no bearing on what's going to happen on the next two, right? Every trade is an independent circumstance. We don't know. But we do know that when the market reverses, like you see right here, you got to trade with the market, right? If it's going to go up, holding those puts is a Dumb idea. And with the outlier data, there are no new signals today. I like this new list right here. That's nice. But if you look at it, right, if there's 114, 1456, 1,570 stocks, and 114 out of 1,570, only 7% are in a buy signal right now. So that tells me, more than likely, we're going to start seeing stocks moving from the bear list to the bull list very soon. If this starts crossing back up on the market breadth, we've already got the market trend. If it continues to hold, I think we're going to have a buttload of buy signals here in the near future. I think we're going to have a lot. But until that time happens, don't jump into anything too fast. Let's go to our final thoughts. All right, 5 reasons why you need a systematic trading approach. Number 1, know exactly which stocks to buy. Boy, that makes it so simple, right? You know, you've always heard the people who are like the most amazing stock pick, Minervini, right? How did he pick his stocks? Because he knew what he was looking for. And so do you. You know what you're looking for. You buy them at the right time, right? You buy them when the risk is small and the reward is potentially big. We don't know exactly. But we're going to take a calculated risk and we're going to buy them at the right time. You avoid catastrophic losses. Case in point, if we had held Alcoa and Alcoa decided to rip up, 10, 15, 20%, that would be a catastrophic loss. But we don't have to worry about that now because we're out. And if it turns back around and we get another signal, we'll be right back in. You have to exit trades with less emotions. And that's the hard part, right? There's emotions when you lose because it's like, oh man, that sucks, right? And then there's emotions when you win where it's like, oh man, everything I touch turns to gold, right? Both of those are highs and lows, and you've got to just go in between, right? It's got to become transactional. At the end of the day, you're just making a transaction. Some transactions win, some transactions lose, but you've got to get to a transactional point. And lastly, you save a lot of time through having a clear routine, right? Our routine is to meet every day with consistency and discipline, and we save time by doing that. We know what to look for, we know when to get in, we know when to get out, and we're trading with as little emotion as possible, and we save time because we know what we're going to do, and once we're done with that, we're done. That's why it's 10-minute stock trading. So that's going to be it for today. And as far as when the next trades will come, I don't know, but I do. Here's my professional opinion. I do think we're going to have a sustained rally out of here with the market pushing back higher on the breadth and in price. And we're going to have a lot of buy signals that are moving from the sell side to the buy side. So get ready. But in the meantime, don't do anything. Hang out. Wait for the signals to come. Have a fantastic afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us on today's 10-minute trading room, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, don't forget to grab your free Secret Investing book over at secretinvestingbook.com while it's still available.